Hello folks, wanted to do a quick video to accompany my listing of my 2019 Mercedes-Benz E53 AMG. Just wanted to do a quick video to show the condition of the vehicle. Like I said in the listing, the vehicle has less than 5,000 miles and is absolutely mint. There is not an issue, no stories, no scratches, no dents, no dings, nothing along those lines. As you can see, the vehicle does have paint protection film on the hood and front bumper. I mean, you can see even in the wheel wells. No issues underneath either. No issues with the wheels, no curb rash, no scratches, nothing like that. As far as options on the vehicle, this was a special order car, over $20,000 in options. Vehicle has AMG black Nappa leather interior, AMG carbon fiber, AMG Nappa DINAMICA Performance Steering Wheel, 20-inch AMG Twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents. These are also with a Pirelli P0, run flat tires as well. No issues there. AMG Performance Exhaust System, sounds incredible. Heated and ventilated front seats, Panorama Sunroof, active multi-contour front seats with massage, heads-up display, Acoustic Comfort Package, exterior lighting package, warmth and comfort package, AMG Night Package, parking assistance package, driver assistance package, which gave a total on the vehicle of $92,785. Have all books, records, both keys, along with the original window sticker as well. Go inside the vehicle. Again, no issues. It actually still has the plastic on the door sills from the factory. It's the AMG carbon fiber Burmeister sound system. Heated, ventilated seats. You can actually control the passenger seat from the driver's side. 3 memory. Again, the AMG carbon fiber. Side the vehicle, this is the optional AMG Dynamica Nappa leather performance steering wheel. These are your options: head-up display, vehicle height adjustment, parking sensors, driver assist package. This car is autonomous. Again, more carbon fiber. I did have an IWC clock put in the vehicle. This is about a $700 or $800 clock. Manual mode, sport suspension, traction control, AMG Performance Exhaust, driver assist package with the surround view camera. We'll start it up here. All your different sport modes are here. That's Sport Plus. And again, you can go with manual, and you have your paddle shifters here. Head-up display. Vehicle is voice command as well. Ambient light red.
Ambient light red.
Ambient light blue.
Ambient light blue.
Passenger heated seat on.
Front passenger seat heating on.
So you can do a lot of different connections with the vehicle. Any questions or anything, please reach out. My phone number is 717-577-0455. Again, that number is 717-577-0455. I'd love to answer any questions for you, but again, the vehicle is perfect. But please give me a call, 717-577-0455. Thank you.